Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have another Harry Potter unboxing video, and this is for the Geek Gear subscription because I did cancel my Loot Crate one. So let's hope I don't regret staying with the Geek Gear one. So it did come already kind of open. The way it was kind of open. I promise I did not peek, or I don't know what's in here. I do know there is a wand because that was one of the hints that Geek Gear gave for this box. So let's just get to it. I don't feel anything. Okay, so the first thing I feel is this bad boy here. It feels like it's a map, a poster, I believe. I'm gonna guess it's a poster. Okay, this is nice. This is like I'm assuming it's a Fantastic Beast inspired poster. Yeah, it is a Fantastic Beast poster because it has the Newt Scamander's suitcase, and then we have a Niffler, and then we have Pickett, I think that's his name, and then just other Fantastic Beasts in this. Nice. Next item. Okay, so next item. It's a shirt, like always, we always get a shirt. And this is a shirt, it's just a plain black t-shirt. And it looks like it has like the logos of all the houses. I feel like with Geek Gears, like most of the t-shirts are starting to look similar. Like lately they've just been a black t-shirt with just this color of painting, and just the design is different. Next item, okay, this feels like the wand. Okay, this is a noble wand, but I'm kind of about this because I've been reading the comments of Geek Gear, and a lot of people are kind of upset because they think they're gonna stop giving character wands, which is the reason why a lot of us subscribe to this box, is to get the character wands. So if this is not a character wand and they just stop sending character wands, I don't know if I still want to keep this. So let's see what wand we get. Okay, so this is the wand we got. It's a really nice wand. It's a unique, different type of wand. It has like the blue design right here with the gold. It's a really nice wand, but I really do hope that they still give character wands because I don't want random wands. Like, the reason why we like getting wands is because we feel the emotional connection of the character. Like, oh, this is Severus Snape's wand. Like, you feel that connection. Like with this, like you don't feel a connection with this wand because it's no character's wand. Like, it's a nice wand, but I feel no connection, you know? Unless this is a character's wand and I'm just a fake fan and don't know who it is, but I'm pretty sure it's not, but I don't know. Alright, next. Everything's kind of like a maze over here. Next, oh, it looks like we have something bus related from like the Prisoner of Azkaban. It's gonna be a bumper ride. Ah, cabrón. What kind of brujeria shit is this? So, I mean, I know what this is. This is like the little doll that was hanging in the night bus of the Prisoner of Azkaban, but not gonna lie, this is low-key creepy. But yeah, this is a little creepy for me. I think that's it. Oh wait, never mind, psych. Okay, so next we have a keychain, and this time it's of a Niffler. So yeah, this is a really nice keychain. Okay, next item is we got this poster, and it is a Tri-Wizard tournament poster. I'm gonna add this to my little print collection I have going on. Okay, next we have, oh, okay, it looks like we just have a letter from Geek Gear wishing us a Happy New Year. It says Happy New Year from Geek Gear, and it just says, a massive thank you for subscribing to our box throughout 2018. We wouldn't be where we are today without our customers' continued support. Wishing you all a fun-filled, geeky, and simply magical New Year from all of us here at Geek Gear. Thanks, Geek Gear. And then, like always, we got our little cookie recipes. This time we have a custard creams, and then we have butterscotch cupcakes. Nice. I never put these to work because, let's be honest, if I try to bake or cook, I would end up burning the place to BH. Okay, and well, that is it for this box. I'm gonna take a look at my pamphlet now. So first we got the exclusive signed artist poster of the Fantastic Beasts. We got that. We have the exclusive Fantastic Beasts Niffler keychain. We got that. The cookbook recipes. We have the exclusive Wizardry shrunken head. So we have the little head from the night bus. And then we have posters. And then we have the exclusive noble wand. Oh yeah, and it is an exclusive designed wand, so no, it is not a character fan. So good, because then I would have been like, damn, I'm a fake fan. But it's just an exclusive noble wand designed. So yeah, that is it for this box. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the stuff that I got for the month of December. I'm gonna be honest, this month's box was kind of I was really looking forward to this box because I knew we were gonna get a wand, but I was hoping it would be like a character wand, like from the Harry Potter series or even the Fantastic Beasts series. So I was hoping I would get like a wand of a character, but we didn't, so that's why it's kind of like eh. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did, then obviously give this video a thumbs up, or if you're new on this side of the internet, or if you haven't already, then you guys should definitely subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me if you guys did. Anyways, that is it for this video. See you guys next time.